Hi everyone, in this video I will read Numbers 3:40 to 43 in Old Testament Hebrew, and I will also give the parsing of each word. Amar Yehovah El Mose Pagad Kol Bikor Zakar Ben Yesael Ben Ades Maal Nasa et Mispar Sem Lakad et Livi Ani Yehovah Tahat Kol Bikor Ben Yisrael El Behema Levi Lahat Kol Bikor Behema Ben Yisrael Pakad Mose Aser Sava Yehovah et Kol Bikor Ben Yisrael Haya Kol Bikor Zakar Mispa Sem Les Hodes Maal Pakad Se Nayim Ekrim Elep Salos Sibim Mia Amar verb cal sequential imperfect masculine singular. Yehovah noun proper name. El preposition. Mose noun proper name. Pakad verb cal imperative second person masculine singular. Kol noun common masculine singular construct. Bikor noun common masculine singular absolute. Zakar adjective masculine singular absolute. Ben noun common masculine plural construct. Israel noun proper name. Ben noun common masculine singular construct. Hades noun common masculine singular absolute. Maal conjunction. Nasa verb cal imperative second person masculine singular. Et particle direct object marker. Mispar common singular construct. Sem noun common masculine plural construct. Laka verb cal sequential perfect second person masculine singular. Et particle direct object marker. Levi noun genitive masculine plural absolute. Ani preposition. Jehovah noun proper name. Tahat preposition. Kol common noun masculine singular construct. Bikor noun common masculine singular absolute. Ben noun common masculine plural construct. Israel noun proper name. Et conjunction. Behema noun common feminine singular construct. Levi noun genitive masculine plural absolute. Tahat preposition. Kol noun common masculine singular construct. Bikor noun common masculine singular absolute. Bema noun common feminine singular construct. Ben noun common masculine plural construct. Pakad verb cal consequential imperfect third person masculine singular. Mose noun proper name. Aser preposition. Sarah verb perfect third person masculine singular. Jehovah noun proper name. Et particle direct object marker. Kol noun common masculine singular construct. Bikor noun common masculine singular absolute. Ben noun common masculine plural construct. Israel noun proper name. Haya verb cal sequential imperfect third person masculine singular. Kol noun common masculine singular construct. Bikor noun common masculine singular absolute. Zakar adjective masculine singular absolute. Mispar noun common masculine singular construct. Sem noun common masculine plural absolute. Ben noun common masculine singular construct. Hodes noun masculine singular absolute. Maal conjunction. Pakad verb cal participle passive masculine plural. Sinayim adjective cardinal number masculine plural. Esrim adjective cardinal both plural absolute. Elep adjective cardinal number both singular absolute. Salos adjective cardinal number masculine singular. Silam adjective cardinal number both plural absolute. Mia adjective cardinal both dual absolute.